The future perfect. Continuous tense is used to talk about actions or events that will be ongoing in the future up to a certain point in time. This tense is often used when discussing long-term goals or plans that will be in progress over a period of time. In this tutorial, we will explore how the future perfect continuous tense can be applied to long-term driving goals. Imagine you have a long-term goal of becoming a skilled and confident driver. You can use the future perfect continuous tense to talk about what you will have been doing to achieve this goal. For example, I will have been practicing driving regularly for 6 months by the time I take my driving test. This sentence indicates that you have been working on your driving skills for an extended period, leading up to a specific event. In this case, the driving test. Another example could be, by the end of the year, I will have been working on improving my parallel parking skills for several weeks. This sentence demonstrates that you have been focusing on a specific aspect of driving for a set amount of time as part of your long-term goal. You can also use the future perfect continuous tense to talk about your progress towards your driving goal. For instance, I will have been slowly gaining confidence on the highway for a few months before attempting a long road trip. This sentence shows that you have been steadily increasing your comfort level with highway driving before embarking on a more challenging journey. Furthermore, you can use the future perfect continuous tense to talk about your commitment to your driving goal. For example, by this time next year, I will have been dedicated to becoming a better driver for over a year. This sentence conveys that you have been consistently working towards your goal for an extended period of time. In conclusion, the future perfect continuous tense is a useful tool for discussing long-term driving goals and plans. By using this tense, you can communicate your dedication, progress, and ongoing efforts towards becoming a skilled driver. With practice and perseverance, you can achieve your driving goals and confidently navigate the roads.